Hello viewers, welcome to my class today. My name is Teacher Victor. We have a system of equations to solve today, and the question is requiring us to find the points that satisfy both equations. So for us to visualize what we're trying to do, assuming that we have our coordinate this way, we have our x-axis, we have our y-axis this way. So the first equation is a curve and it's going to open upwards because the coefficient of x squared is positive. So this is the curve, and the second equation is a linear equation, meaning it's a straight line. So this straight line is going to pass down this way. So when this straight line passes down, probably it's going to touch the curve at 2 points. This point is going to touch it at this point and at this point. So these 2 points, we are required to find these 2 points using algebra. So this is a very simple equation. Then in my next video, I'm going to show us how to solve this using graph. So the 2 points where this intersection will happen, like I just illustrated, is where both equations will be equal. So to solve algebraically, I'm going to make both equations to be equal to each other. So we start. So for the first one, we have x squared minus 3x plus 2 is equal to 2x minus 1. They are now equal. So the next thing is for us to carry like terms, to collect our like terms. So if plus 2x comes to this side, it turns to minus 2x. If minus 1 comes to this side, it turns to plus 1. So let's bring all the equations to the left hand side. So we have x squared 3x plus 2y minus 2x plus 1 equal to 0. Now from here, you can see that we have 3x and 2x all minus. So both of them are going to be minus 5x. So I have x squared minus 5x, because minus 3x minus 2x is going to give you plus 5x. Okay, now we have plus 2 and plus 1. So this is going to form plus 3. So we have plus 3. All is equal to 0. So both equations have become one and they formed a single quadratic equation, which we are going to solve using formula. So we're going to use the quadratic formula to solve this, which is x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2, 2a. Okay, where a is the coefficient of x squared, which is 1. So a is equal to 1. B is the coefficient of x, which is minus 5. So b is minus 5. C is the constant, which is plus 3. C is what? 3. So let's solve. So we are going to now substitute our values. X is equal to minus, this is b. So our b is minus 5. Plus or minus square root of minus 5. Square minus 5 minus 4 times 1 times 3 all over 2 times 1. A is 1. Okay, so from here x is equal to minus minus, here you have 5 plus or minus, when you have minus 5 times minus 5, this will give you 25 plus, because minus minus is plus. Okay, so here we have 25 minus 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. We have minus 12 all over 2. 2 times 1 is 2. Okay, so x is equal to 5 plus or minus square root of 25 minus 12. 25 minus 12 is 13 all over 2. Then x is equal to 5 plus or minus square root of 13 will give you 3.6. 3.6 all over 2. So now our x is simply 5 plus 3.6 over 2, or 5 minus 3.6 over 2. The reason is that we have plus or minus here. So if we take the first one, our x is gonna be 8.6 divided by 2, or 5 minus 3.6. 5 minus 3.6 is going to give you 1.4. 1.4 over 2. Okay, this is the value of our x. Okay, now we begin to simplify. So x is simply equals to, from here, 8.6 divided by 2 will give you 4.3. From all, x is equal to 0.7. 1.4 divided by 2 is 0.7. So now we have seen the x coordinate of the interception point. The next thing is for us to find the y coordinate. Now we are going to substitute the value of x into any of the equations and we get our y coordinate, and that's all. So for the first one, x is equal to 4.3, and remember that our straight line equation is 2x minus 1. So we have y is equal to 2x minus 1. So when for x equal to 4.3, we have that y is equal to 2 into 4.3 minus 1. And 2 into 4.3 will give you 8.6. So y is equal to 8.6 minus 1. So y is equal to 7.6. So for this coordinate, we have that here, that when x is 4.3, y is 7.6. Okay, now this is the first coordinate. For the second coordinate, y is equal to 2 into 0.7 minus 1. So this is y. 2 times this will give you 1.4. 1.4 minus 1. So y is equal to, when you take 1.4 from where, you have 0.4. So for the second coordinate, we have that 0.7 comma 0.4. Now these are the two coordinates where the both equation will meet. Both lines will intercept each other at this coordinate, 4.3 comma 7.6 and 0.7 comma 0.4. In my next class, I'm going to show us how to solve this using graph. For now, thank you.